So I just got the keys to my place. Houston, we have a problem. So here is the apartment. Has the high ceilings. It's my kitchen. I really like the modern touches. That's what I was going for. Here's the fridge. There's nothing in there right now because I just moved in. But trust me, it's gonna get packed knowing how I am. And then I really like this bar area. I want to put like the LED lights under so it can light up. And here is the living room. I still can't get over my lights. Oh, and I have surround sound on the ceiling, you guys. That's pretty dope. The wood floors, I needed that. Now I already came with a mounted TV. Then here is kind of like the backyard. You can see the NRG stadium from here, but I had to go out and I'm not trying to do all that right now. Oh, I forgot, and it comes with a washer and dryer. Here, oh, sorry. Here is the bathroom. I like all the cabinet space it has. Oh, look horrible. And I like the white countertops. Here is the tub / shower. Can't wait to decorate the bathroom too. And then it has a door conjoining to the kitchen, bathroom. Then another door, to my room. This is my room. I like that I actually have carpet in here. It's very, very spacious. It probably looks a little smaller on the camera. And my closet. I'm so happy. I've never had a walk-in closet before, and this is perfect. So I like all the doors. I wanted something like that, like with just hella doors. I don't know why. That is my apartment tour, you guys. And then I'll be doing a furnished one as well.